So I'm very excited to try this line Donna's recipe. This was created by the famous vegan chef Tabitha Brown. It's very health conscious and it is based off of sweet potato pie. What's inside this product line is sweet potato, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. So my hair has been freshly washed and deep conditioned, and I decided to use the leave-in conditioner and the curl cream with my favorite hair gel. So quick little story because it adds some relevance to trying these products. When I just now tried using just the leave-in conditioner, at first I was just wondering, would I have enough moisture just to use the leave-in conditioner with the hair gel? But after trying it, I was like, no. I definitely need to add the curl cream and just have a 3-product wash and go with the leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and then hair gel. And let me tell you, adding that curl cream after the leave-in conditioner, that makes a huge difference. You have a significant amount of slip, and the hair is just overall more moisturized. A little thing I just noticed is that if you use a little bit of leave-in conditioner and a little bit of curl cream, you actually can get more uses because you save product. The products absorb very well in the hair and they give a lot of definition. It also just smells just out of this world good.